Have you ever wondered if Spaceship is a broker? It's a question that's been circulating the financial community for quite some time. Today, we're going to dive deep into this topic and explore the true nature of Spaceship. Before we get into the specifics, let's understand what a broker is. A broker is essentially an intermediary who facilitates the buying and selling of securities, such as stocks and bonds. They act as agents between investors and the financial markets. Exploring Spaceship's business model. Now, let's examine Spaceship's business model. Spaceship is a robo-advisor platform that offers automated investment services. It uses algorithms to create personalized investment portfolios based on users' risk tolerance and financial goals. Key points to consider. No direct securities trading. One of the key factors that sets Spaceship apart from traditional brokers is that it doesn't allow users to directly trade securities. Instead, Spaceship invests in exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and other low-cost investments on behalf of its users. Fee structure. Spaceship charges a management fee, which is typically a percentage of the total assets under management. This fee covers the costs of running the platform and providing investment advice. Regulatory compliance. Spaceship is subject to the same regulatory oversight as traditional financial institutions. This means that it must adhere to strict compliance standards and report to relevant authorities. Comparing Spaceship to a broker. Broker facilitates direct trading of securities, charges commissions on trades, and offers a wider range of investment options. Spaceship invests in ETFs and other low-cost investments on behalf of users, charges a management fee, and provides automated investment services. Based on the evidence, it's clear that Spaceship is not a broker in the traditional sense. While it does provide investment services, its business model is fundamentally different from that of a traditional brokerage firm. Spaceship's focus on automation, low-cost investments, and a fee-based structure sets it apart from the broker industry. If you're interested in learning more about Spaceship and how it can help you achieve your financial goals, be sure to check out their website or reach out to their customer support team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.